Welcome back. I am in the waiting room of Oak Valley Optometrics, rinsing out the carpet now. If you watched the previous video of me buffing this room, I talked a little bit of why I'm going through the steps I'm going through for this particular account. So if you are unaware, be sure to go back and watch that video first and then come back to this. So this is a brand new client for me. Had their office manager get in touch with me about a week ago to do a bid for carpet cleaning. Or actually, I should say this didn't even start out as carpet cleaning. This started out as cleaning their office, emptying trashes, regular vacuuming, doing the floors and dusting to maintain it, and it grew into carpet cleaning. So I'm very blessed to be able to do both services. I have a crew that takes care of that side of it. So if you're looking into adding that into your business, I highly suggest it, as one complements the other. As this is a prime example for me of why they complement each other so well. As I said, we haven't even done the house clean yet. I just happened to be here at the right time. And she's like, oh, we do carpet cleaning. And in the previous video, it kind of tells you why it came to that point, which is sad, unfortunately, that happened. I mean, I don't want to find out that it is an actual pre-existing condition, but in order to be sure that if it is, I'm doing hot water extraction plus pre-buffing, and going to possibly do a bonnet at the end depending on where this carpet sits. So I'm just doing slow, wet, and dry passes, because look at that difference. This is allegedly 3 weeks from what the office manager told me that the cleaner was out here. 3 or so weeks, 4 weeks max ago, and it's already back to this point. I don't believe there should be a situation where it gets to that quickly. Looks like everything wasn't pulled out of the carpet, to be honest. And, after it got walked on a little bit more, it just went right back to where it was, and then some. Something was in the carpet and somebody tracked it on. Gerber carpet does have an affinity for oils, whereas this does look mostly like dirt in here. But that could be part of the reason. He might have not been using the right chemistry to work on this particular rug. But I don't know for sure, so I can't say that's exactly what happened. So don't quote me on that. But I'm using specific chemistry to help me work this carpet out right. As I said in the previous video, they were having the previous cleaner out every 3 months to maintain this place, which I don't think is necessary for the process that I'm doing. Maybe if you do some good VLM or encapsulation, you can do it every 3 months and then lower the price to compensate for the difference between what it costs to go through all the hot water extraction steps, twice a year. So, realistically, if I was doing that, from everything I've done for setup and everything so far, I probably could be halfway done with this job already. But like I said, I'm doing hot water extraction, and goal is to get them down to twice a year and not quarterly. So if I could do that, based off what they were paying, I will be saving them about $382 a year on their carpet cleaning service. I ran the numbers based off what they told me, and my cost for twice a year is about $382. So that's pretty good, big chunk of change, you know, for a business, especially a locally owned small business. That makes a difference. So that's what I'm out here trying to do for them. So as usual, while I'm filming, I'm going a little bit slower than I would normally be doing, just so you guys can see what's going on, and I can talk about what's being done, why it's being done, just based off my personal opinion on why I'm going through these steps. Like I said, they may not always be necessary. I may be able to come in here and just vacuum it really thoroughly, pre-treat it, let it dwell, let the cleaners do the job, and then rinse it out really well. And that, of course, will save time, but for the first clean, I really want to do a thorough, complete job, just because I don't know what the previous guy was using, so I'm going slower, making sure I'm rinsing out well. So if there's any previous cleaner lingering around in the carpet, I want to make sure I get this taken care of well, so that way his problems, if there was any with the cleaner, don't become my problem. So it's like putting Folex, or not Folex, I should say, like Resolve on your carpet, scrubbing it really well, but not extracting it out, and leaving soap residue on the carpet, thus causing it to resoil quicker by fresh dirt clinging to that soap that's remaining in the carpet. So that's why I'm going slow. I'm doing slow dry passes as well. I'm going to run my blowers on this carpet. I have one right here already. I have another one placed out. So I can dry this out really fast because I want this guy to be able to put all of his stuff back ASAP, even though it is a Saturday currently. I want him to be able to put all this stuff back as soon as this evening if he wanted to. So, alright guys, I'm going to cut it at this point. I'm going to start working on these edges a little bit more. You can see a little darkness to it. I want to make sure that's not just wear. So I'm going to go over those a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching. Nolan with Black Diamond Services. I'm out here serving Oak Valley Optometric here in Oakdale, California. If you need your eyes checked, you need new contacts, some glasses, new frames, it looks like they do it all. So definitely come check them out if you're in this area. Show some love for a local business. This is the second optometrist office I do work for, another one a couple cities over. That is also fantastic. I did a video in the past for them. Like I said, I'm about supporting local business, as I am one myself. So if you're in this area, definitely check them out. I'm sure they can help you if you need it. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Hit the thumbs up, comment, and hit that bell button to subscribe if you haven't. Last I checked, there's about 62% of you that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you want to get alerts on all the new content, hit that bell button so you can see it all. Again, thank you so much. Your support does mean a lot to me and my wife. I know you don't see her much, but she works in the back end of the business doing all the administrative work. She's basically my CFO. She works really hard, keeping everything in check between this and our making sure our employees are up to date on everything that we need as well. So couldn't do this without her. So thought I'd do some little shout out to my wife for being amazing and being supportive of me and becoming a business owner. Alright guys, have a great day.